and welcome back to another super belated Boxycharm unboxing, even though it's already June of 2023. This is the 2022 November Boxycharm base box. But again, we only have December, January, February, and March left for those, and then it'll all be caught up because it's just one with Ipsy now. So we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're chipping away at it. So anywho, got our little card. And we got our info, so I will set that over here. And in no particular order, we're going to just pull stuff out and find it on there. So our first thing here is the Amina Macaron Lip Scrub. I love macarons. That is such a cute aesthetic. And it totally looks like that one brand that does like the unicorn whip stuff. I'm just saying. Just saying. So this retails for $18 for this little jar. Looking to have juicy and smooth lips? This lip scrub is just for you. Made with organic and all-natural lip-safe ingredients, this scrub smells just like a freshly baked macaron delight. And guess what? You can lick it off because it's made of real sugar. Yay! Love that. So we have that. And then you can follow it up with, from Sophia and Mabel, Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil. And this retails for $22. So, you think you're slick, huh? This lip oil gives you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. It's lightly coated and applies to the lips like a slick, transparent oil with a fruity twist. Use it for a nourished look or in place of lipstick on days that call for a chill look. I can't remember if I've done this one before or not. No, I don't think so, actually. Because that does not look familiar to me. I'm like, oh. And this is in Yuzu. So maybe they have different ones. Okay, maybe that's why I thought I'd done it before. Alright, so that's exciting. Then, we have from LES, Lower East Side, the Cream Bronzer in Skyscraper. And this also retails for $18. A lightweight, creamy bronzer with a natural velvet finish that melts into skin for an effortless, sun-kissed glow. Let's see what Skyscraper looks like. I have a palette or two from them, like mini ones. Oh, okay. That's a pretty color. There's a mirror, so. Alright, and it's cream, so it should be like super blendy. I'll try that soon. Why not? Why not? Then, I'm almost positive I have gotten this at least once before, but from Saturday Skin, and this is the most expensive thing in this box, it's the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. It's $57 for this little jar. Yeah. A soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. So I'm not seeing it directly in front of me, like, right here, but I'm, like, so certain that I've gotten that at least once, if not twice before. And if I can find it, that may go on eBay. So, finally, last thing, because there was only 5 items in this box. This is from Item Beauty by Addison Rae. The In My Element eyeshadow palette. I'm again sad because Item Beauty did go under. This was $24. Have them seeing stars with this blendable, buildable 10-shade shadow palette. A cosmic collection of warm shadows, cool neutrals, and stardusted shimmers for a look that's out of this world. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Ooh, all rose gold inside. Ooh, and it's a rose gold palette too. You know how I love me some rose gold. I like the texture on it. It's like not quite leathery, but it's like a very similar kind of a feel. Like I've had a purse that felt almost just like this before. It's very luxurious feeling. So I will block the mirror. And then here's our colors. These are fun. Very autumnal, given that this was in the November box. It should be. Really love that pink in the corner there. But the color names are Starstruck, Zenith, Solar, Air Sign, Star Sign, Stellar, Lunar Eclipse, Interstellar, Starship, and Moonstar. Oh my god, and the one that I like best is literally called Moonstar. I love that. I love that so much. Oh my god. Okay. So anyway, Yeah, that was the November base box for Boxycharm. Some argued it wasn't even that good, but I'm like, I would argue, yeah, it was. At least mine was. Can't speak for anyone else's box that they got, because everyone got different stuff, so I cannot get back to go back in. But anyways, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.